has revealed the 10th generation Civic, and this will be the car that India would get. The Civic facelift has received some design changes. For instance, the car would have a front wing now in piano black tone instead of the chrome we saw in earlier Civics. Chrome would be seen in the fog lamps housings and in the rear bumper. The car would also get new alloy wheels. On the inside, it would get a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system which would have both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. As far as the engines are concerned, the Indian Civic is likely to have a 1.8-litre 140 HP petrol motor and a 1.6-litre 120 HP diesel engine. Mahindra has continuously been releasing bits of information about its upcoming Marazzo MPV. And continuing that, it has now released the interior pictures of the car. From the pictures, it is clear that the 7-seater Marazzo gets captain seats in the second row, while in the 8-seater, the car gets a bench seat in the very same place. The dashboard would have a black and beige theme with Fox aluminium inserts. Other interior features would include leatherette seat upholstery, a 7-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system, automatic climate control and AC vents for all 3 rows. A special edition Suzuki Drive has been launched by Maruti in India. This special edition is based on the lower spec LXI and LDI trims and will be available in both petrol and diesel variants. Additional features in the special edition include 2-speaker Bluetooth music system and remote locking system. The special edition Dzire price is roughly Rs 30,000 more than the standard LXI LDI trims at Rs 5.56 lakhs for the petrol version and a lakh more for the diesel version. The Mitsubishi Outlander will be officially launched on August 20th in India. This would be a sort of comeback for the car after it made its debut here way back in 2007. This time the car will carry the 2.4-litre MIVEC petrol engine, developing a peak power of 167 HP and a peak torque of 222 Nm. The engine will be mated to a CVT gearbox. The 7-seater SUV will be loaded with features. Some of them would include black and beige interior, touchscreen infotainment system, 7 airbags, ABS and EBS. Mahindra has showcased its new Rexton SUV in Mumbai. The car was displayed by select dealers in Mumbai during Mahindra's annual general meeting. The car will ultimately be christened XUV 700 and in all likelihood be launched this festive season. The XUV 700 has already been showcased at this year's Auto Expo and has been spied testing several times. Compared to the Rexton, the XUV 700 will have certain design changes. For instance, it would have a new grille and a completely different design language. Features of the XUV 700 would include projector headlamps, a 9.2-inch HD touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 360-degree camera, a 7-inch LCD instrument cluster, cooled seats, Napa leather upholstery, and a smart tailgate. The XUV 700 will be powered by a 2.2-litre 187 HP 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The 2018 Nissan Micra and Micra Active starting at Rs 6.20 lakh and Rs 5.03 lakhs respectively have been launched. No design changes have been made to the cars compared to their previous versions except the addition of a new turn indicators on the rear view mirrors. The top spec Micra Petrol CVT will now have a spoiler. As far as safety features are concerned, both the models now have dual front airbags as standard across the range. No changes in engine and transmissions have been made. The Micra Active is still powered by the 68 HP 1.2-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. The Micra, on the other hand, comes with two engine options, a 77 HP 1.2-litre 3-cylinder petrol and a K9K 64 HP 1.5-litre diesel. Honda WRV Alive Edition launched at Rs 8.02 lakhs. A special edition WRV has been launched by Honda in India. Called the WRV Alive, this edition has been priced at Rs 8.02 lakhs for the petrol version and Rs 9.11 lakhs for the diesel version. Compared to the standard Honda WRV-S variant, both the Alive versions have been priced at Rs 23,500 higher. So what are the additions in Alive? The Alive edition gets 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheel, rear parking camera, rear parking sensors, premium steering wheel cover and seat cover with a special edition logo. Apart from that, WRV customers also get 1 month free subscription of Honda Connect.